Hi guys, girls, dolls, guys and dolls. Today we're going to be looking at some compression in Studio One. We've got a vocal track and we've got ourselves a synth part, which is quite a busy synth part, and we're going to try and sit them together. You can immediately see on the vocal line that it's very dynamic. It's got a lot of nuance to the performance. The performer really gave it his all, but he's a very dynamic performer. Actors, you know what I mean. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some compression on the track, and I'm going to be using Pro C. FabFilter Pro C. It's fantastic, very good, very versatile. And we're going to start off by just having listened to it and seeing what we need to do. There are ghosts in space, there are ghosts in space, there are ghosts in space, there are ghosts in space. So you can immediately hear that while his performance is fantastic, it tails away towards the middle, but we can definitely do something about that. So we're going to activate the compression now. And what you want to do really is go in here and look at the numbers and then think for a second about what you want to do. And in this case, we're going to do the classic, just pick a random, let's just randomly dial it in, because that's, let's face it, everything that we do in compression. Let's just, yeah, audition, yeah, just up, yeah, range, look ahead, yeah, definitely, got to scout out, got to scout for the minerals. And let's just, you know, let's appreciate how this has put it closer into the mix. There are ghosts in space, 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 ghosts and ghost golf goats in space, space. See, immediately, fantastic. Fantastic, you can hear every single syllable, every single nuanced word. This performance took 7 hours to complete. So we really need to make the most of it. Now, the next thing we want to do, it's clearly very dry. So we're gonna grab up a reverb here, and we're gonna grab up the Reverb 2. It's a nice, relatively new reverb by Ben Schultz. We're gonna just dial all the good settings. You know, as if you follow my previous tutorial, you know exactly what I'm doing here. We're just dialing in all of the useful tools. Got to make sure that it's as pixelated as possible, because visually that's important. Let's just get rid of this low end, I think, and I think this is perfect. We've got ourselves a little. I'm just gonna split it here because we don't want it all wet. We want some of it dry. Let's have a listen. There are ghosts in space. There are ghosts in space. There are ghosts in space. Beautiful. That's fantastic. One thing that I'm thinking it's missing, because, you know, if you've heard all of the tracks, you've heard the Beyoncés and the Britney Spears, you understand that the vocals in those are very compressed, but they're also dirty. And one thing I always stand by is you have to make them dirty, because if you don't do the dirt, it doesn't do the Grammy. There are ghosts in space, there are ghosts in space, there are ghosts in space. Perfect. Yeah, just gonna turn that down a little bit because it's you still want to hear the words. Okay, so the final thing, I think this is close to perfection. I think the final thing I think we're gonna do is I think we should do a sidechain gate, because all of the good producers are doing this nowadays. You just want to dial this in, just dial this in, Ghosts in space, there are ghosts in space, there are ghosts in space, there are ghosts in space, goats and ghost golf goats in space, space, there are ghosts in space. And there you have it. That was Nick's quick tutorial on how to do fantastic audio compression in Studio One. Bye.